Hi, I'm Clara from Preston Baker in York. I'm here at 69 Acomb Wood Drive in the lovely area of Woodthorpe. I'm here to show you around this beautiful 4-bed detached property. It comes with a wonderful 2-car driveway along with an integral garage. Let's go and have a look inside. So as you come through to the entrance vestibule, you've got the garage to the left-hand side. You've also got entrances to the lounge and the kitchen. Really good size entrance. It's really light and airy. You've also got really good high ceilings as well. So here we are in the kitchen diner. As you can see, it's a really great space for family dining. You've got a great conditioned kitchen as well as an integral oven. Off the kitchen, you do actually have a lobby with a downstairs WC, which leads straight through to the dining room. Let's go have a look. So here we are in the dining room, which is open plan to the lounge. You've also got a lovely double window, which overlooks a really beautiful garden. So here we are in the lounge. It's a really good size for the whole family to enjoy. It's also got a new fitted electric fireplace, as you can see. It leads straight back round to the entrance hallway as well. So in the bathroom, you've got a 3-piece suite with a really good size shower. It's also in really good clean condition. So here we are in the master bedroom. It comes with fitted wardrobes and an ensuite shower room as well. You've got lots of room for lots of storage as well. So here we are in the second double bedroom. It's located on the front of the property. Lots of room for more storage here as well. You've also got a really useful overstairs cupboard. So here we are in the third bedroom. It's got lovely views of the garden. It's also got fitted wardrobes and is another really good sized bedroom. So here we are in the fourth bedroom, really good size for a child or teenager. Again, it's to the rear of the property and benefits from extra storage as well. So here I am in the garden room. It comes with electric blinds. It also comes with a Belfast sink and it comes with lovely views of the garden. So here we are in the garden. It's a lovely mature garden with a wonderful variety of plants. We also have a hidden shed and also access to the front of the property as well.